Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm just going to be showing you my petunias. It's Petunia cuttings part 3. These are ones that I took care of on the year. As you can see, they're really starting to look beautiful now. Oh, nearly. That nearly got me. Just got stung by a bee yesterday. Here we go. Up there and there. That needs deadheading. Pinch it out. Come on, forth in it, like so. Snap it off. There you go. Snap that off myself. But the more you deadhead your petunias, the more flowers you get. So yeah, they're looking really well. Round here, this is a double. Get ready for flowering. Oh, flowering there somewhere. Deadhead that one. See, because all the red. Just take you around here and show you the ones I'm working on at the moment. These are some brilliant ones. These are probably the biggest ones out of all at the moment. Like you can just see there. Just try and stop this light. Yeah, beautiful flowers as you can see. These were all grown from seed last year. Taking plenty of cuttings. Every time I prune them back, I take some cuttings, as you can see here. I'll just show you all these. These are all offcuts. Some of these are like 7 inches long, so what I've cut them into 2 or 3 pieces, put them in the compost, and you end up with these like so. As you can see, you start off with I think 7 or 8 beginning of the year. I must be getting nearly 100 petunia cuttings now, so I'm going to have a really good choice next year. I'll be showing you. I'll just put these on these offcuts. Right, this is the compost I want to be using. Just a peat-based compost. Stick it out in there like so. Put lots of that. And let's just have a look at these roots, shall we? Just get the camera on like so. Look and see that's alright. See, these were taken several weeks ago. Let's have a look what's inside, shall we? Oh, it's more exciting at this when you open up his cuttings, your seedlings. You can see that is a lovely plant. Yeah, really like that. Just turn the camera down to the other side, might be a little bit extra sunshine. Look at these, shall we? Better. Yep. So all done with them, just break them into as many as it is. Even that one in the corner, as you can see, everyone has got lovely roots on. Even this one in this corner. So once I have got them all broken up, it's just as simple as putting a bit of potting compost. It's got a little bit of feed in it, this. It's a peat-based compost. And then make sure you keep as much as the root on as you can. A little well there. Tap it up with compost around the edge, and then just tap down. Keep it to the centre of the pot. A lot more pleasing then. I'll try and get them dead centre. At this stage, you just want to cut any dead or damaged pieces off. As you can see, cut that off nice. That's a rot. You see it there. Just there, and then you can also just nip out the tips, causing to fatten up. As long as you've got several leaf joints, there, and there, it's going to make a nice, compact, a nice fat plant. So that's one side. Just put on this bigger one. That's a massive. The next one. Here we go. Into the pot like so. Bit of compost like the other one. All the way around. And this one is so big I can take a cutting off my cutting. These have been fed nicely. As soon as they root, I start feeding them, and if they're not rooting very well, so I'm trying to give them a little bit of diluted feed. So with this one, just above that leaf node, like so. Right, send that nice little side shoots all the way around then. That will fatten that right up. As you can see, it's already got loads of little side shoots. Also give this a spray for powdery mildew. When I fed them and let them settle in overnight, I'll give them a good spray for powdery mildew then. But this one, get another cutting off this, just pick these out like so. As simple as that. And then into, this is some I took the other day. As you can see, they're not all very well at the moment, but they will get better as long as you keep, even when they're in the main sunlight, they tend to kill that. But you need to be spraying them with water a couple of times a day when it's as warm as it has been in direct sunlight, because they lose a lot of moisture through the leaves. So yeah, that's basically catching up on my petunia cuttings. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe, folks. Oh, and I'll just finish off, just giving the feed. So once I've done all that, what I'm tempted to on these is Miracle Grow then, all-purpose soluble plant food. So yeah, once I've put them on, just give them a little feed like so, and leave them overnight. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and please keep yourself safe. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.